Hey guys, today I am going to add this round hat box. They come in 3 different sizes and you can use them in different scenes. Don't forget to check the description box for the materials and the download link. For the round boxes, I printed the pattern directly on a design paper. Use a zigzag scissors to cut the zigzag part. You can also just use a normal scissors, but this will take more time. The hot box has 2 sets of round part. Each set have different sizes. One is slightly smaller than the other. Make sure that the smaller round piece is paired with the big strip and the bigger round piece is with the smaller strip. First, take the big paper strip and fold the teeth using a ruler. Then fold the side. Soften the cardstock by doing what I am doing. This will make the cardstock flexible when you glue it to the round piece. Apply glue to the unprinted size of the teeth and place the unprinted round piece up. Don't forget to glue the sides together. Apply glue to the bottom of the box and glue the second round piece with the print facing up. So the remaining pieces will be the box lid, and you can just follow the same steps you did with the main box. And here are the round boxes in 3 different sizes. Alright, so next we are making paper flowers, and this step is really easy because you need to just punch and glue the papers. So here I am using a crepe paper to punch the flowers. Then I use a florist wire for the stalks. I cut it around 30 millimeters using a wire cutter. To make the flower bud, I applied glue on the tip of the wire and covered it with scrap crepe paper, and I just rolled it several times to make it round. Then I stick the first flower and glue it on the bud, and then I just continued doing this until I was satisfied with the thickness of the flower. Then, using a cocktail stick, separate the petals from each other. Make as many as you can and try exploring different colors. Again, you can mix and match the flowers depending on your theme. And finally, I arranged the flowers in the round hat box. Then I am going to add this into your room box. So this is the end of the tutorial, but keep yourself updated for the next tutorial for the pink and gold birthday party scene. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and get notified. Bye bye and see you next time.